We're going to first sketch the function, the piecewise function. The first part is x strictly less than -2. We have to sketch the linear function x plus 2. Now, f of -2 is equal to 0, but it's not part of the domain, so we're going to have an empty circle at -2, 0. The slope is 1, positive slope, so it's 1 to 1, 1 to 1. Then we connect the dot, and we have the first portion of the graph. Second portion of the graph, x is largely between -2 and strictly between 1. And f of -2 is included, is 4. So f of -2 is 4. We fill in the circle. And f of 1 is not included. F of 1 is 1, but it's not included. 1 is an empty circle. Now f of 0 squared is 0, and f of -1 squared is 1. We connect the dot, we have a parabola. Here we go. So we sketch a parabola between -2 and 1. 1 less than or equal to x. If we start with x is greater than or equal to 1. And if x is greater than or equal to 1, we have to consider f of x equal to 1 over x. Therefore, f of 1 is 1, so 1 we can fill in the circle. F of 2, 1 is greater than or equal to 1. F of 2 will be 1/2. F of 3 will be 1/3, and it'll get closer and closer to the axis. We connect the dot, and we've sketched our piecewise function. Now, the limit as x get closer to -2 from the left of f of x will be equal to. For this limit, we have to consider the linear equation, x plus 2 everywhere defined, so we could do direct substitution. It'll be -2 plus 2, which is 0, as we can see it in the sketch, in the graph. The limit as x get closer to -2 from the positive side. For this limit, we'll have to consider the parabola. So it's going to be x squared. -2 squared will be equal to 4. Therefore, the left limit is different from the right limit. That limit does not exist. There's no limit. For number 4, x is getting closer to 1 from the left, from the negative side, from the left. Therefore, we have to consider x squared, the parabola, and 1 squared is 1. Number 5, x is approaching 1 from the positive side, from the right. We have to consider f of x equal to 1 over x, so 1 over 1 is 1. So that limit is definitely 1, the normal limit, because the left limit is equal to the right limit.